Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you are using Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, when you power on your phone, you will get this type display, and here you just have to select your phone language, as I'm going to select English UK from here and then select OK, and after that just select start to start your setup, and after that you'll get this type display where for your review you just have to accept terms and conditions where is and use a license agreement, privacy policy, and sending data diagnostics, and you just have to select them all, then select agree from here, and after that you'll get this type display where is easy setup with another device. If you are using any device before this phone, you can easily use that to make a easy setup on this phone. You just have to select if you are using any Galaxy or Android device, select this, and here's the iPhone option. If you want to choose, just select it, and you will get a QR code to scan to set up your phone. But I'm going to set up manually. Just select the third option. From here, just select the Wi-Fi network, then connect. Just enter your Wi-Fi password here, and after that select connect from here, and here you will get this type of section. You have connected to internet, just select next, and here you will get this type display where you just have to wait for almost 2 or 3 minutes. This is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, you just have to wait for it, and after that we'll continue. And after that you will get this type display after 2 or 3 minutes. Just wait, and here you will get here's the copy apps and data. If you're using any device, you can easily use it to copy your apps and data to this phone, but I'm going to skip this and just select not copy from here to skip the step. And here's your checking info. We just have to wait for its loading, and after that I think we'll have to set up or sign in our Google account. So just wait for the screen. Here's Google sign in. Here, if you have any account, you can easily log in here with your email or phone number. But if you don't have any account, you can easily create new account from here. I'm going to skip it. Just select skip from here, then skip, and here protect your phone. If you want to protect your phone with any face recognition, fingerprints, patterns, pin, or passwords, you can easily set up here. But I'm going to skip this step. Just select skip from here, then select skip anyway, and here's some Google services. Here's the location service, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, and here's the install updates of apps. You just have to select accept from here to accept them all, and here you're getting your phone ready. You just have to wait for a minute. So after that you'll get this time display which is Samsung account. If you have an account, you can easily log in using your email or phone number here, and here's a sign in with QR code. But if you won't have an account, just select the fourth option. Here's is forget password or don't have an account. Just select this one. And if you won't have an account, just select create account to create account. And here's the forgot ID if you forget your password. I'm going to set up it later in settings. And here skip this, and here your Samsung services legal information. You must have to select all options to select all terms and conditions of Samsung device, and just select agree. And here just some Samsung services, you must have to select those, then select agree from here, and here choose your display mode which you want is light and dark. For you I'm going to select light, then select next from here, and here just wait until it's being loading, and here's you have done. You are all set up. Now select home to enter your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.